Hi everyone. If you run advertising campaigns on Meta ads, there are some places that you might want to exclude from your campaign so your ads don't show on those low quality placements. Many people think that when you run ads on Meta, your ads are going to show only on Instagram and Facebook. But that's not entirely true. Let me show how you can exclude these low quality placements. In your Meta Ads Manager, and there is a section called advertising settings. So go there. Your interface might be a little different from what you see in this screen, but the overall steps are the same. In the advertising settings, find account controls and click on that. And here is where you can exclude some placements from your advertisement by clicking on placement controls. So the placements that make sense for many advertisers to exclude from their campaigns are called audience networks. What are exactly audience networks? They are third-party website and applications that Meta might spend some of your money there and show your ads there. They are generally known as low quality placements in the advertising industry, and you rarely can get good results from these placements. So, especially if your budgets are tight and you're a local business or a small advertiser, it especially makes sense to exclude these placements from your campaigns. There are two options to exclude. The first one, audience network display banners, and the second one, audience network rewarded videos. What are rewarded videos? Some applications that people want to play games, but before being able to start a game or use the feature on that application, they have to watch some ads before proceeding with their action. So these are our forced advertisement, forced ads. People just watch them in order to pass them and do what they want to do. So definitely not quality placements. There are other options that you can exclude too, Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Right column if it makes sense. But you don't have to if you are okay with showing your ads there. But the first two options I generally recommend to many advertisers to exclude from their ads. Just be careful when you exclude this placement. After that, make sure check your cost and CPM for your ads for a few days, for a few weeks, to make sure that the CPM hasn't increased for your overall campaigns. In some cases, it might happen that by excluding these locations, these placements, your overall cost of reach increase in some cases. This is one place that you can exclude your placements. This applies at the account level. The other place that you can find these settings and exclude audience network or any other placements from your ads are at the ad set level in your campaigns. Maybe you want to apply this exclusion only to some specific ad sets and campaigns and not your entire account. So at the bottom of your ad set, there is a section for placement, and in the account controls, by clicking on show more settings, here you will find more options on excluding uh, placements. Here in the platform section, if you don't want to show your ads in the audience network, you can just deselect that and save your settings, and the settings will apply only to these ad sets, not your entire account. But if you want to generally exclude audience network from all the accounts, just go to the settings that I showed you previously and apply it at the entire account. Thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.